you angry, stressed, or sad? It's high time for your emotions to take a break. Just pick up a phone with a stress-relieving phone case, and a smile will be back on your face at once. Blondie is easily annoyed by everything. It must be the solar eclipse having such a strong effect on my friend. But even a bag of M&Ms gets into trouble. Blondie can't manage to open it, and all the contents rain down over the kitchen floor like a sweet avalanche. The blue-eyed girl is surprised by the candy disaster in the kitchen. Calm down! You should keep your hands busy with this cute phone case instead. Cover a phone case with red acrylic paint. Cut 2 makeup sponges. Remove about 1/4 at the back. Paint the bottom part in white. Paint a pupil with black paint and an eyelid. Hot glue eyes to the phone case. Cut eyebrows out of black felt. Cut the letter M out of paper and attach it to the bottom of the phone case. And add a felt mouth. Blondie calms down thanks to the new case. It seems that the blue-eyed girl averted another M&M catastrophe. No candies will be injured anymore. Instead of a twitching eye, my friend has a soft-eyed phone case. And she can also take funny new selfies. Linda is going to the beach to get distracted from the rush of everyday life, except that she can't stop packing her bag. She forgot water and a beach towel. I wait for her to pack everything that's on her list. Sunscreens, a hat. It looks like my friend needs vitamins for better memory, but we don't have any vitamins right now, so an anti-stress case with mermaid scales will help her reduce stress. Paint a half of a phone case beige. Color seashells. First, use white acrylic paint, and then pink. Apply purple strokes on top. Hot glue the seashells to the phone case. Trace a mermaid tail template on fabric that has double-sided sequins. Cut it out. Make a thin double-sided and hot glue the 2 pieces. Attach the tail to the phone case. Cover the cuts of the fabric with black acrylic paint. Paint the mermaid's belly button and decorate the top of the case with sequins. This double-sided mermaid tail is a double stress reliever. You can feel the sea's magic coming from it. So get ready for the beach quickly and don't worry about anything. I'm ready to pull an all-nighter studying. This is so stressful. It's great that someone put a rainbow anti-stress case here. Coat a phone case with acrylic paints. Make a white base and then paint a rainbow. Paint the top of the case pink, the middle yellow, and the bottom blue. Blend the rainbow transitions and dry it using a hairdryer. Cut a template out of parchment paper. It should be a teeny bit smaller than the case. Put a sheet of parchment paper on a board and thick plastic wrap on top of it. Wrap the template inside. Iron it with no steam. Wait half a minute for the wrap to cool down and cut the wrap along the contour, leaving a small allowance. Don't forget about the camera hole. Cut the bottom following the line of the template. Take it out of the wrap. Put glitter inside. Use a syringe to pour some water in it and add a drop of cosmetic oil. Wipe the edge with a cotton sponge. Wrap it with parchment paper and seal using an iron. Cut oval edges and fasten it to the rainbow case using hot glue. My new phone case is straight from a fairy tale. It shines like a rainbow, and the glitter inside calms you down. But I think I know who it belongs to. Unicorn appears in the room for a reason. It must be looking for its uniphone. Oops! It seems that I studied so much